2.5-inch deep. 25 gauge. NSF certified. Resistant to scratches, stains and corrosion and easy to clean. Made from durable standard weight 18/8 stainless steel. This professional-grade, yet affordable full-size 2.5-inch deep anti-jamming steam table pan by Winco is intended to make cooking healthy steamed dishes easy and enjoyable. Made from durable standard weight 18/8 stainless steel, it is able to stand up to the rigors of constant use. The item is resistant to scratches, stains and corrosion and easy to clean. A unique anti-jam design gives extra durability to the edges so multiple pans can conveniently stack together. The cover for this pan is sold separately. Perfect for steam cooking shrimp, vegetables, meats and more, this NSF-certified steam pan will be an extremely useful addition to any restaurant with a steam table. Top reviews from the United States. Nice lightweight. Great for our cafe. Great for the cafe. I've ordered many of these. Our employees love these especially since they're lightweight cause what we store is pretty heavy.